Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to turn off mentions on the Pinterest app. If you're tired of receiving notifications whenever someone mentions you, this step-by-step tutorial will help you take control of your Pinterest experience and manage your social permissions easily. And first, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Now tap your profile picture located at the top corner of the screen. From the Settings menu, scroll down and select Social Permissions. Inside the Social Permissions menu, find and tap on Mentions. Select Turn Off to stop others from mentioning you on Pinterest. This change will take effect immediately, and you'll no longer receive mention notifications. If you ever want to enable mentions again, simply repeat these steps and turn the setting back on. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you disable mentions on Pinterest. If you found this useful, consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials and tips on managing your apps and settings.